Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. As the bustling energy of the central shops and restaurants begin to thin, the waterfront takes on a more solemn and reflective character. This transition leads us to one of the most powerful sights in the river, the A World Apart World War II Memorial. Savannah's connection to the war effort was profound. This port was a hub for the construction of Liberty ships, the massive cargo vessels that served as a lifeline for Allied forces across the Atlantic. Standing here, you're reminded that the peaceful waters before you were once a gateway to a world in conflict, and this city played a vital role in the defense of freedom. The memorial itself is a masterpiece of symbolism. It consists of a massive globe, split in two, representing the dual threats of the war in the Atlantic and the Pacific. The names of the local men and women who served and sacrificed are etched into the surrounding stone, grounding the global scale of the conflict and the personal story of Savannah's families. To stand between the two halves of the globe is to feel the weight of a generation that was truly a world apart, facing challenges that reshaped the map of the modern world. The proximity to the river is intentional. It was from these very shores that so many sailed away, some never to return. Nearby, the ship fountain adds a different layer to the maritime narrative. This water feature is a tribute to the vessels that have defined Savannah's skyline for centuries. The sound of the water provides a meditative backdrop to the memorial, a constant rhythmic reminder of the river's enduring presence. While the World War II memorial honors a specific moment in time, the fountain celebrates the timeless relationship between the city and the sea. It acknowledges that Savannah's strength has always come from its ability to navigate the waters of change. This section of the walk invites a slower pace. It is a place to pause and consider the cost of the prosperity we see along the rest of the riverfront. The A World Apart Memorial ensures that as Savannah moves forward into the 21st century, it never forgets the courage of those who stood their ground when the world was fractured. It is a quiet, dignified corner of the waterfront where the past and the present meet in a moment of profound gratitude, watched over by the steady, flowing current of the Savannah River.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.